Coin bell-operated vending control board. This board is very helpful for manufacturing coin bell-operated water vending machines, up to 12 channels. Just connect these parts: power supply, coin acceptor, or bill acceptor,
or both,
solenoid valve, or pump, flow sensor, button start. Connection example. Feature function: insert coin, select and push button start, supply power to solenoid valve, and collect flow sensor signal quantity. Water runs out. Stop supplying power to solenoid valve when collecting a sensor signals. Available settings: price and sensor quantity for every channel. 1 pulse rate on display. Delay cutting off power. Active pause. Last for sensor signal speed. Inbuilt reset counter. 4. Bill acceptor, coin acceptor, button light. When machine is working. More information, please contact us.